What's happening, y'all? This is Josh from Drive the Coast. Just got this absolutely gorgeous 1965 Ford Mustang Fastback K code. Let's go. 271 horsepower K motor in there. Absolutely stunning car. Very valuable. Obviously, it does have the 4-speed like it should. Most K codes had that. We've actually had 2 automatic K codes, but obviously most of them 4-speed. Got that 289 high performance solid lifter motor. Anyway, I got the style steel wheels here. Look beautiful on this car. Red caps, got slick paint. Nice reflection in it there. You see the reflection in the paint. That's what we always like to see. Got beautiful chrome as well. Got dual exhaust ripping through the back there. This motor has a real distinct sound as to opposed to a regular 289. Let's see. Emblems are in great shape. Hopping on inside the engine bay. Just take a look around. Fender aprons look really nice. This is that 289 high performance K motor. I have personally seen the K. It's actually down here, real low, next to the oil pan. Definitely is a K motor. There'll be your VIN number, factory. 09 for Fastback. Let's hop on into the interior. Hopping on inside the interior of the K code. First thing pops out, obviously, is the Rally-Pac gauges. Has a horsepower and a clock there. Factory gauges look nice. There's our 4-speed transmission. Factory steering wheel, still has a factory AM radio. Bucket seats look great. Same with the door panels. Also has that fold down rear seat. Headliner's nice and tight. Very nice. Well, I'm sure we want to hear it, so let's fire it up. All right, let's fire this thing up. Man, that thing sounds good. There she is, just purring away. Real still there in the engine bay. Idling nice and smooth. Let's go on a test drive. Yeehaw! gas station in the K code. We got a bunch of fuel, a 93 non-ethanol. Kenyon's in a spirited mood.
Love this one. Ton of power.
Let's drive the coast here.
Cruising in third right now.
All right.
Nice and straight, real tight. All your auxiliary gauges right here, running right at about 185. Plenty of good oil pressure there. You can see it go up a little bit, about 50 pounds.
We got a slowpoke in front of us. Dang.
Test the brakes.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be turning. That's right.
Brakes work great.
Yeah. I like it.
Yeah, man. Love it.
Solid lifter, 271 horsepower, K code, fastback. All the good stuff.
Idling nice and easy, real smooth.
Excellent.
4-speed, like that.
Y'all, we do have nationwide shipping and financing available. If you have any questions about the car or want a FaceTime video live with one of the guys here, feel free to give us a call. This is Josh, Drive the Coast. Let me know how I can earn your business.